Welcome back friends. As from the title, this video is going to be all about my diet plan for a day that includes an instant South Indian breakfast, a few low-calorie side dishes for lunch, and a low-carb paratha for dinner, perfect for weight loss, and some snack options in between. All these recipes are very simple to prepare, no need to worry about any ingredients, and I don't want you to miss out on the veggies that are included as a part of this diet plan, especially if you're looking into losing some weight. Without any further delay, let's get started with the morning. It is early in the morning now. Nowadays, since we are all home, we are drinking cumin water throughout the day. Early in the morning, what I like to do is I have some cumin water, take a tall glass of that, warm it up with a little bit of cinnamon powder, around 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. It's beneficial for regulating your blood glucose levels, and so I think this is a great morning drink to start your day. I would love to know what are the drinks that you like to have, and let's get with warming up my drink. I wish it was like chocolate smoothie or something, but it's not, and it's not that easy to drink it as such, so I'm using a straw here to drink it. Do you want a sip? Cinnamon brings a lot of warmth, and I'm ready to kickstart this day. What I'm going to do right now is to get started with a very nice low-calorie South Indian breakfast, and this is sure to fill me up. These idlis can be prepared without any need for batter or fermentation, and so can be made very quickly. We need some vegetables first, so grating the carrots and bell pepper. Bell pepper or capsicum has some compounds in it that is good to boost the metabolism, and so that's what we are looking for. And in a pan, roasting the urad dal and the curry leaves, and also some chia seeds. Using chia seeds instead of mustard wherever you want to. It's a nice tip to use if you're looking into where to sneak in your chia seeds. And then roast all the vegetables and a teaspoon of turmeric powder and red chili powder. And once cooked well, add them into about 2 cups of roasted oats powder. It's always good to keep some powdered oats in hand so that you can use them for many dishes that you can make out of it. To that, let me add in some thick curd and then nicely mix well and keep. Don't add any water here, as we don't need a batter like the normal idli dosa batter. Nor do we need to add any ENO or fruit salt or baking soda or anything like that. Just grease the idli plates with ghee and then add a scoop of this mixture and keep for 15 minutes in the idli cooker until done. Okay, so just got in a little bit of stretch, 5 to 10 minutes here and there. I try to sneak in. Now it's time for breakfast. I'm really hungry, and let's get eating. Okay, so these are the idlis, and I'm going to be having 2 of them. Okay, so it's around 11:30 now, time for a mid-morning snack. It's extremely important to keep this energy going throughout the day. So in the mornings, usually I don't drink any tea or coffee or any sort of beverage like that. So at this point of time, I like to drink some lassi. Lassi, as we all know, it is the fermented beverage and great for digestive system. So let's make a glass of homemade lassi. I'm taking about half a cup of yogurt and some grated ginger, a pinch of cumin powder, some chopped curry leaves. If you want, you can add some salt, but I'm okay without it. So let me just blend it up. Sprinkle some chaat masala. So if I feel like eating something, I like these sprouted pumpkin seeds. It's good to have this in between your meals. You don't have that spike in sugar levels. Okay, so I'm making a side dish out of this beautiful purple cabbage, and it's actually interesting to know that purple cabbage has low calories and more nutrients in comparison to the green cabbage. So in case you have an option to find this, get this if you're looking for a low calorie side dish. Making a simple dry sabji, and it's good to make cabbage a good part of your diet, and it's great for healthy toned skin too, and it's very simple to prepare too, right? So grated coconuts, again, low carb, It's good for inflammation and also boosts the metabolism. So try to include some extra fiber by garnishing your stir fries with some grated coconut. So let's start preparing the curry. For that I'm going to blend in the onions. Very easy curry. Just onions, tomatoes, one each, ginger and some garlic. Gonna blend it. In the pan I have some cloves and cilantro there, and I'll add in the puree that we made. So for making this paratha, I'm using the stand mixer. Having that makes it very convenient and doesn't turn the hands sticky. And since I'm using a lot of radish in this recipe, it makes this whole procedure a lot easier. Towards the end, so let's dump all the ingredients into it, milk, and finish off the curry. Salmon fish is rich in omega-3 fats, which our body cannot produce. It has zero carbs, rich in good protein and fat. So it's one of the healthiest fish that you can consume, and I try to include it at least once in a week. Marination mixture is basic: ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, turmeric and salt. That's it. And I'll pan fry it in a little bit of coconut oil using my favorite cast iron skillet. Now when I plate the meals, one tip I have for you here is to take your side dishes first, especially if you have made it with healthy vegetables and all of that, and then take a small scoop of rice to kind of bridge the gap between the dishes. Okay, so it's around 2:30 now, and I just finished editing a video, and I feel like I deserve something, like I deserve to eat something. And if you are someone like that, it's really common to have afternoon cravings. What I try to do is I don't ignore my cravings. I feel that would work in the long run. So I take some berries, strawberries, blueberries and blackberries that I have, drizzle some almond butter on top of them. And if I am really craving some sweets, I add in some dark chocolate chips. I don't look at the laptop, I just sit back, relax and eat that. Okay friends, it is time for evening tea and snacks. So I have my green tea here. This is what I'm using, and pieces of fresh homemade sesame bar. I wish you could smell it. Very simple preparation for the snack that is good to lower the cholesterol. So roast 1 cup of sesame seeds and keep it aside. And then in a teaspoon of ghee, melt in a cup of jaggery until thick. And once it turns nice and sticky, add in the roasted seeds and then transfer it into a greased plate. And I like to roll it into thin sheets and cut it into pieces and store it. And use it whenever you want to. It's really nice and yummy. So for making this paratha, I'm using the stand mixer. Having that makes it very convenient. Doesn't turn the hands sticky, and since I'm using a lot of radish in this recipe, it makes this whole procedure a lot easier. So let's dump all the ingredients into it. It's just peeled and grated radish. So I'm going to take it and just squeeze the water off. Radish paratha or radish roti is being prepared here with a lot more radish, and that is the reason why I'm not using it as a filling. Then we're going to be adding the chili powder, the turmeric powder, some ajwain seeds, chopped up cilantro, everything together, salt. Radish is low glycemic index vegetables, so definitely you should try to include this veggie into your diet plan. So making homemade meals like these and including the right vegetables as a part of your diet plan is possible, so that you can stay healthy and lose weight at the same time. And portion size is extremely important as well. I hope this helps you make a diet plan for yourself. And yes, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy watching videos like this, and let me know in the comments below if you want to see more diet plans. And please click on the bell notification icon Only then would YouTube update you whenever I post the next video. So until I see you all next time, take care and bye.